Knowledge is power. The power to change your circumstances, your journey, your outcome. What's the one piece of advice you have to anyone in the industry about the need for continued knowledge?
So our industry is becoming more and more complex and technologically advanced every single day. And frankly, it's our responsibility to our teammates and our customers to stay in front of that rapid change that's occurring all across our industry in every aspect of it, and really be prepared to master those changes. In my opinion, the simple fact really is if you don't keep up with the change, you're going to be run over by
it. Business-wise would be liability. The knowledge of knowing we are liable for these repairs, not the insurance company. If you don't stay on top of this stuff, you make yourself vulnerable. You make your company vulnerable, your technicians vulnerable. And there's really nobody to blame but yourself. It's out there, and it's just the nature of this industry. It's evolving. Every year, something new comes out. Every manufacturer, every model, make, everything is different. It's never going to stop evolving. So the idea of not staying up on continuing education just is a thing of the past in this industry.
Just do it. As I was an attorney, and we had to take continuing education classes every year because the law changes. Just as the law changes, so does collision repair, and it's changing so rapidly. They are going to have to continue to stay on top of what they're fixing out there in the shop. And if they don't, then they run the risk of killing someone. And that's what I preach to my people on a daily basis. You're just going to have to stay on top of this. The information and the technology is changing so rapidly. It's essential. It's essential. 100% essential.